So there's been some chatter within the SEO community about the devaluation of links. There's some people that kind of believe that, and there's others that don't. I'm a true believer that links are very valuable, and it's not just any link that you can get. It's you doing real shit that real businesses do to attract links where you're not trying to kind of game the system. Your site is probably going to perform better than those that are trying to game the system with different link building strategies that are kind of questionable. Whenever there's a Google algorithm update, if you're doing just the stuff that real businesses do and attracting links by way of press and good content and doing good within your community, you might see little dips here and there within a Google algorithm update. But those that are kind of trying to kind of game the system, well, guess what? They're going to get hit really hard with Google updates. So just continue to do what you do, attract the best links that you can get, and then you can sleep well at night.